we are all at our homes watching TV, Netflix, Prime, and going to in my age, going to school every day. It's very fun, but nowadays it's very very boring, and I see it as a opportunity to gain some knowledge, and
Okay.
we can really make use of this time.
How can you make
So
use of this time?
by learning new and creative learning new and creative hobbies like drawing, and helping our mother, that's the best I can help.
So आपने
And
ये
we
किया है जो
can
आप बोल रहे हो?
also, yes, and we can also help our elders. And I really felt offended by seeing beggars lying around the road. So I really feel that they are the worst hit by the pandemic. So because
Right.
of the COVID, and so even we cannot help them because they are not wearing masks, they do not have proper sanitization, they do not have proper basic amenities,
Right.
and
Yes.
we can.
So
So yes, ma'am.
या प्लीज कैरी ऑन, प्लीज कैरी ऑन. आपके जो मन में है बोलो आप. एंड यू कैन यूज एनी लैंग्वेज, इंग्लिश, हिंदी. डोंट बॉदर अभी. या
So we can really,
या यू
so
यू
we
सेड
can,
दैट वी कैन यू मेक यूज ऑफ दिस टाइम. ये
yeah,
करना है और आपने किया है. अच्छा प्रियम, यू आर इन
yeah.
11th, सो आई वांट टू आस्क यू, डू यू प्ले पबजी? और योर
Not
फ्रेंड्स,
now.
डू दे प्ले पबजी? अच्छा, नॉट नाउ.
Yeah,
देन
my
व्हेन वर
friends
यू
play
प्लेइंग पबजी?
PUBG.
एंड
I
व्हेन वर
was
यू प्लेइंग
playing.
पबजी?
I was playing in sixth standard.
6th standard, okay. So PUBG is a nice game. What do you think good about
Yeah,
PUBG?
of course.
भाई,
Yeah, of course.
बच्चे बच्चे क्यों खेलते हैं? बच्चे क्यों खेलते हैं PUBG?
It has some fantastic graphics, and it's
Okay.
so mind fresh. It will fresh your
Oh,
mind like crazy.
wow. Wow. I know, because see, people like, so many people are still into playing gaming, I should say. So
Yeah.
quickly I will come to Zera. Zera, आपका क्या एक्सपीरियंस है लॉकडाउन और पैंडेमिक में,
Pandemic
कोविड
में,
में?
COVID में.
My lockdown was pretty good. It wasn't that boring because, of course, I have my friends, and the classes were like, if you want to attend, you can. If you don't want to, you don't. So it was all like casual, and we got chance to know many things about ourselves also. Like, I developed interest in drawing, and I really like baking and cooking, but I never got a chance to do it. So during lockdown, during free time, me and my dad used to cook, bake things, and all. And I got to know many things about myself also. Like, I got chance to interact with people I never talked to, and I became really good friends with them, including Ashika. She's one of my best friends, and I learned many things also, like whether anything happens, your family and your friends will be there for you no matter what. Like in Corona, also you, my mom, and all the family members were with me, and everyone, like, it doesn't matter what happens, but the family is always with you. Same with the friends. Like everyone says that friends comes and goes, but during my Corona, when I was dealing with COVID, Ashika my one of the best friends. She just said like, if you need anything, grocery or anything, just tell me the name and it will be on your doorstep. So that really means a lot, and people matter. And we got to bond with the families and people whose family were really interacting with them, got a chance to stay away with them also. Like, we understood the family can fed up us ourselves also, but can be really good also. So yeah, that's it. You're on mute.
Yeah. So this is for everyone that we have two barking dogs who are German shepherds. So you can hear them on the show. It is like as if उनको पता चल गया है कि we are just having this conversation. So and it is so okay to live with animals also. So if you have that barking dog, that voice is sound is coming. So I think we can pay stress on our conversation. क्योंकि बीच बीच में when Zara will be speaking, we will have the dogs barking also in the background. So no worries. We love Buzo, we love Angela, and I think we are doing some activities for the street animals also. हम थोड़ा थोड़ा खाना बाईजी जो है वो डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करती है, and Zara and all of us कभी कभी we participate the बाईजी and we go and give food to the street dogs. So Ashika, you have to unmute your mic and you have to share तुम्हारा क्या एक्सपीरियंस है लॉकडाउन में, कुछ भी.
was pretty last year. Like we had a great chance to live with a family. Of course, we lost contact with our friends, but yes, we were as casual from past few months. But again, this lockdown started, and it is pretty boring this year cause we have done all the things last year, cooking and all. There was much to do last year because it was just first time, and now it's too boring. And of course, we are going down in an economy, so that's not really good. So that's all. But I think this must end soon.
आशिका, इकोनॉमी से एज अ 10th स्टैंडर्ड स्टूडेंट क्या मतलब एक आप पे एक थॉट आ रहा है इकोनॉमी की बात की?
I'm so into the stock market and all. So
Okay.
it is like
Yes.
like ki, we are going down in the economy, and like we have to grow the economic as compared to the other countries. Like China had this pandemic from the starting, but now it's stable. So we have to do that. We had a great pandemic last year, and this year it's too much. So we have to just make it a good economic country.
या इकोनॉमिक वाइज हमें आना है. यहाँ पे मैं जो व्यूअर्स ये वीडियो देख रहे हैं इनको मैं बताना चाहती हूँ बिकॉज आई एम इनटू टीचिंग मनी टू किड्स एंड टीचिंग टेक्नोलॉजी टू किड्स सो दैट द इंटरनेट टाइम जो बच्चे स्पेंड कर रहे हैं how that can be made as a strength. The children, how they are spending time on internet, 13 years and above, the child can learn share market. I will repeat. This is a survey and these are many trainings which I have got. 13 साल से ऊपर बच्चे शेयर मार्केट सीख सकते हैं and they can do it also क्योंकि उसमें बहुत लर्निंग है and this does not involve much money. It can be done free of cost also. So this experience, Ashika, I was not knowing about you, but you shared this. So this is such a powerful अभी शेयर जो आपने किया. अब मैं क्विकली बिकॉज इट इज़ 12 मिनट्स और हम 15 मिनट का हमारा रहता है तो 1 मिनट में मैं चाहूँगी कि आप तीनों, सो वी विल स्टार्ट विद प्रियम, आपको पेरेंटिंग का क्या आपको लगता है कि व्हाट सपोर्ट इन एज फ्रॉम योर पेरेंट्स एंड एल्डर्स कि हमको ये सपोर्ट चाहिए, ये नीड चाहिए क्योंकि लाइक द पेरेंट्स डू एनीथिंग एंड एवरीथिंग. तो अब मैं आप लोगों से सुनना चाह रही हूँ एज 11th स्टैंडर्ड यंग अडल्ट कि ये पेरेंटिंग में ये चाहिए, ये दीजिए. सो वील स्टार्ट विथ यू हैव टू अनम्यूट योर माइक.
So I start with my talking with my parents. So like they are very very supportive, and they don't want me to be an engineer. They just want me to be a good human being. And they said that you do what you want, what you feel from your heart, what your real conscience says. You do that, and don't do anything from a pressure. We don't want to put any pressure on you, be it cooking or be it a sports person or be it a tech YouTuber, because no work is small or big. And I really feel that what my parents say, that is absolutely true. So I feel that my every each and every parent should have quality like my parents have. So they
Do you feel
so
other parents they pressure their children कि ये बनना है, ये करना है, ऐसा लगता है क्या? You can answer anything.
no,
आपके जैसे
that is
फ्रीडम
not,
देते हैं क्या पेरेंट्स? अच्छा,
no, that is not the case even. Like it is like 50-50 plus 50-50.
मतलब कुछ पेरेंट्स प्रेशर करते हैं, सम पेरेंट्स दे प्रेशर देयर चिल्ड्रन एंड सम पेरेंट्स 50% पेरेंट्स दे डोंट प्रेशर देयर चिल्ड्रन.
Yeah.
ओके, एंड यू आर सेइंग कि बच्चों को प्रेशर नहीं करना है. गुड ह्यूमन बीइंग कोशेंट इज इम्पॉर्टेंट एंड लीविंग देम, गिविंग देम फ्रीडम टू डू एनीथिंग, कुछ भी बड़ा छोटा नहीं है, दैट इज इम्पॉर्टेंट, राइट? दिस इज व्हाट यू आर सेइंग. परफेक्ट, परफेक्ट. Zara, what is your anything else? Priyam, are you complete?
Yeah, man.
Okay. So Zara, what do you think कि parents को क्या करना चाहिए?
My parents
आपको क्या जरूरत? हम जनरल भी बात कर सकते हैं पेरेंट्स की और आपके भी पेरेंट्स की कर सकते हैं.
like one thing I want to change.
दोनों की बात कर सकते हैं.
I think my parents are pretty perfect. Like one is cool and other one is like really has a short-temperedness. So in my parenting,
I am the one short-tempered.
yeah. So if there is a thing that I'm going out of context, but if there's a thing I want to change in my parents, I would say short-temperedness. So yeah, like of course, if I want something which is not good for me, so of course my parents would support it. Like I want to go outside during the lockdown to meet my friends, and of course he won't allow me. So yeah, we get pretty angry, but parents should know how to deal with it. Like many parents just say like, no, you're not going out, that means you're not going out, and then child feels like you don't understand us. Like you should explain us, like why are we not allowing you to go outside, because we care for you and we don't want you to get COVID and all. So yeah, like you should understand your children. It's not for only you, I'm not saying you only, I'm talking in general, everyone's parent, to understand their child. Of course they do, but they should show them to us. That's it.
Yeah, thank you. And children can always tell their parents the areas of improvement. ये feedbacks होते हैं. And no parent is perfect. A parent is also a human being. उसको experience नहीं होता है parent बनने का. तो the imperfection of the parent is okay, and the parent like gradually learns many things. Yeah. So Ashika, आपको क्या एक्सपीरियंस है? आप इंग्लिश हिंदी किसी उसमें यू कैन टॉक ऑल ऑफ यू इन एनी लैंग्वेज. मैं भी बीच बीच में हिंदी बोल रही हूँ क्योंकि लोग हिंदी भी अच्छा समझते हैं. सो आपको क्या लगता है कि पेरेंट्स को बस ये ध्यान रखना चाहिए सभी पेरेंट्स को? यस,
Of course, it's like we parents need to support the childrens, and they must act like friends. Like you can open up with them so easily and just have a good communication. and just have a good interacting session over it. And I think it's okay if a student cheats in online exam because it's like, okay, everyone is cheating, no one is so loyal. So you can cheat and you can support them in them. So that's all.
अच्छा, अब मुझे ये बात बताओ, सच्ची सच्ची बताओ, सिर्फ येस नो का इसमें आपको ऑप्शन दिया जा रहा है. यू कैन से ओनली इन येस और नो, एंड आई वांट ऑनेस्ट आंसर. कैन यू स्पीक एनीथिंग विथ योर पेरेंट, प्रियम? येस और नो?
Yes.
Okay. Zara, can you speak
Can you
anything?
speak
Means
anything? Means
bad
anything
thing also?
bad thing also?
No.
Okay. Ashika?
Ashika?
No, of course not.
Okay. So thank you, because this is for all parents, कि पेरेंट्स एंड चाइल्ड ऐसा होना चाहिए कि गंदी बात भी कर सकें, अच्छी बात भी कर सकें, बुरी बात भी कर सकें, कुछ भी बात कर सकें. सो कमिंग टू माई लास्ट क्वेश्चन, क्या चीज़ प्रियम आपको लगती है कि आपके जो ऑफलाइन स्कूल है ऐड होना चाहिए स्कूल में, और ऑनलाइन स्कूलिंग में ऐड होना चाहिए, इट शुड बी एडेड?
So first
और
of
क्या
all, I
चीज़
would
बुरी है, क्या चीज़ क्या है, मतलब जस्ट एक्सप्लेन दी
so
पॉजिटिव एंड नेगेटिव बोथ. या
so first of all, I would like to talk about online classes. So, for example, in offline classes, we have friends all around us, but in online classes, in many schools, I have seen that the video of the students are off. So that should not be the case. Everyone's video should be on so that we can feel like they are physically not present, but yeah, like mentally present. Like it's like that. And there should be an interaction not only with the teacher but also with our friends and our classmates in the online classes. And now I would like to come so I would like to come on offline classes. So like in offline classes, there's the teacher is not so active. Like for example, in our school, like there are 56 students in a single class, and on that and only one teacher is appointed for all the 56 students. So it's very very difficult for that single teacher to look onto each and every student. So like there should be the strength of the class should be like 20 each per teacher, 20 per teacher. And in online class, it's very very easy for the teacher to look onto each and every child's activities as well. So that's what I want to say.
Sarah, what is
Thank
your
you.
experience of online? Thank you so much.
Thank you so
Priyam.
much, Priyam.
What perfectly
What
said.
perfectly said.
What I think is that, like we say that in online classes we cannot study. Children make these excuses, but it's that key. If a children wants to study, if someone wants to study, he or she will study no matter what conditions. So it doesn't matter what changes we make in online classes. But a thing that I want the school to change is, like, of course we are in 10th and we will get a lot of written work and homework, but it's online classes. We have everything online, so we should get our work done online also, like typing and all. We get all written work, and that's too much, like 50 to 60 pages each chapter, and there are almost 15 to 16 chapter each like there would be almost 50 chapters in the whole course. So that's really too much to, like, we should consider typing e-learning. If we are calling it e-learning, we should make it e-learning. That's it.
Okay. Okay. Thank you, Zara. Yes, Ashika, online classes, and the offline classes.
Of course, when we go offline, we meet friends and we have a good communication time with teachers and with friends. But we had a lack of all these, and we lost friends, and friends are very important in life. So I think online classes should be made so interactive and so in done with activities also, because when we go in school we do sports and all, and so we are involved in physical and of course we are mentally stable over there. But at home we just lie over the bed having online classes, sleeping and all. So it must be like ki, okay, we are having sports period also, like online only. So it must be like so interactive session, and we must not lack activities and sports, because we cannot go out but we can work over home to do all these.
Sports can be done on virtually also. Like Zara had a sports day this year in the school, and like that can be done, and activities also can be done like virtually. It can be planned. A very good suggestion. तीनों के suggestion बहुत valid थे. अब last we have exceeded time, so I want to ask you, Priyam, speak from your heart that आपका 10th बोर्ड एग्जाम कैंसिल हुआ एंड यू हैव बीन प्रमोटेड टू 11th. डिड यू लव दिस आइडिया? मजा आया आपको? अच्छा लगा क्या?
So,
Yes, no.
of course, from a student's point of view, it's very, very nice. It's such a nice thing. But from career point of view, it's very, very bad. So, even if it is not cancelled, I have to study. So, there is some fear in my mind that the boards are coming and I have to study.
Okay, still fear was there. Okay, so
That's what
yeah,
what I want to say.
Thank you so much, Priyam. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Well said. And Zara and Ashika, आप क्या चाहते हो? इस साल आपका 10th बोर्ड कैंसिल हो जाए?
Yes.
No, no.
Yes.
Ashika is saying no and Zara is saying yes.
Ashika, why no?
Okay. Acha, that's
Because-
okay.
that
you can. That's her answer. So I want to thank all of you. You were really smart children, and you spoke your heart, spoke your mind, and I would love to have you back, because we'll be having few sessions wherein we will be talking about the new career strategies, new career avenues for students, for children, जो कि एकदम बदल गई हैं इस कोविड के बाद. So one of the session is happening on Tuesday, which Mr. Manoj Jain is taking, and so all of you, God bless you. You are wonderful children, and the whole adult people, the elders, are so proud to have good human beings like you being raised. So by all blessings, thank you so much for being here, and we are ending the show. Thank you so much.
Thank you.